Hey guys, BrickQueen here with a 2009 Pirates set review for you. This one is 6240. It's called Kraken Attackin, and it has 78 pieces. And it originally cost about $10 when it came out. It's a pretty neat little set. But let's go ahead and move the close up and show the details on it. You get 2 pirate minifigs in this set. And this is your first pirate. And there's the back. And this is the other pirate. And this is supposed to be the Kraken. It's just a squid. It is hard plastic, but because of the way it's designed, you can move it a little bit. And you can see it is designed so that it can be attached to Lego pieces. There, and there. And this is the raft. There's an oar attached right here. You've got a ladder up to the crow's nest, which is right there. If you turn it around, you've got a parrot sitting there on its little perch. And there's a gun mounted up here. And this is supposed to be where their treasure's at. They've got 2 gems, a red one and a blue one. It is a small set, but it's still a pretty cool little set. Kraken Attackin, it's also got a really cool name for the set. And I hope you enjoyed the review. Thanks for watching. Hope you'll comment, like, and subscribe.